Hey up YouTube, how you all doing? Hope you've had a good week. It's Van Talk week 11.
Week 11, at long last. Goodness me, that's gone quickly.
We hope you've all had a really good week.
Do you notice something a bit different?
This is not the average Van Talk. We are not in the back of the van or the kitchen. We are at...
Sango Sands.
Where's that?
Durness, Scotland.
In Scotland. So we're on the NC 500 if
Yeah.
you don't already know, and we're about halfway around. We're having a fantastic time, aren't
Yeah, we're
we?
going anti-clockwise. We drove from Barnsley to Inverness and then we're going round and up. And at the moment we're in Durness.
Durness.
And we've started to see some beautiful beaches,
Yeah, we have.
haven't we?
We have. And all of this content's going to be coming out over the following weeks.
Yes.
But we thought we'd give you a little, just a
Teaser.
little teaser. Yes. So,
It's like one of those Hollywood blockbusters.
yeah.
They have teasers.
We tease it,
This
tease
is our
it.
teaser, look.
So you can see that the waves are coming in, so we don't have too long before we get thrown away. But if you've ever seen Castaway with Tom Hanks in, you'll know that that story was on a desert island and he had to wait for things to be washed up ashore. It's pretty much the same that we've got. And oh look, something's just been washed up. Oh, it's only an Orkney session.
Oh, what a shame.
Folk Festival Session L. Cheers, everybody.
Has anybody ever had an Orkney session? We like ours, don't we?
If it's a rocking, don't come.
That's an awful joke, Andrew. Can you just hold that? I want to show everybody something.
Oh, yeah.
Something that washed up on the beach. Woo! Hiya, Pabbers.
Hello, Pablo.
He's been digging, so he's got sand on his nose.
Yeah, he has. All right, so yeah, this ties. No, that shows. Thank you. Is it?
No, it isn't, thank you. I see
Trying
what
to
you've
get a
tried
little
to
bit of
do there.
extra now. Anyhow,
So I want to talk about something very briefly.
Go on.
We've come to Scotland, which you've already said,
yeah.
but there's a big but. We're not in St Christopher.
No, we're not. Ooh, what could it be?
We're not in the mighty white beast, are we?
No, we're not. We have swapped vehicles for this session, but we're not going to tell you where it is, but all will be revealed on Friday.
I've got one clue.
What?
My dreams are fulfilled.
And it's not two vans where we travel separately. We said Claire's dreams, not Andy's. So, anyway, yeah. So we've come and we're travelling slightly differently. So it's still related to the channel, so don't worry, we've not gone and bought a helicopter. We've got something related to the
We're
channel.
not doing it in a submarine.
Yeah, we
That
just
ain't funny,
popped up, just waiting for a tow back out. So that's one big bit of news.
Yeah.
The other big bit of news is if you watched our shorts, you might notice that just like these rocks have been eroded by the sea, Claire's been eroded into letting me buy a drone. I'm nearly 46-year-old and I have to ask somebody else if I can buy something. But anyway, we bought a drone, so
It's fabulous, actually.
it's fabulous.
Fabulous.
It's really good. So bought it basically because I'd seen it in Argos catalogue and I thought that looked cool.
Did you
So I-
circle it like you used to do with kids as
Yeah,
a kid
I
at
tore it
Christmas?
out and I put it in my wallet.
Anyway, we've got a drone, haven't we?
There we go.
And it's brilliant.
It's brilliant, yeah. So hopefully now when we go places, you can get a better idea
Yeah.
of where we are and what we're doing. So you'll be able to see this place from the drone. I haven't lost it yet, so as long as I can get it downloaded from the drone, we'll be all right. We keep looking back
Waves
because
are coming in.
the waves are coming in. Oh my God.
Wilson! There'll be a ball come up in a minute with a face on it.
Yeah. So it's a bit
Some
of a...
more beers, hopefully.
It's the most dangerous van talk we've ever done.
Hold on to your hat. Oh, you got one on.
No. Well, talking about stuff like that, since having the drone, I've noticed that either I'm going a little bit bold and thin on top, or it's my crown. I think it's my crown. We've had this, haven't we?
Your
We spoke
crown?
about. Yeah, I think I've got a big crown. Just a big crown.
Got a big crown.
Yeah, it's like I think everybody's crown gets a bit bigger as you get older, so I have to watch. So,
What are you
What?
on about?
well, just me crown. It's like I've got a
Oh,
big
look at
crown.
this.
Yeah,
So
just come in.
we've got the news is, of course, we're not in St Christopher. You've got a drone. We're in Scotland. Things are good. We've been making decisions that we've thought about in Wales.
Because we've come up here because the Wales video obviously got us
Yeah.
thinking. So if you're gonna be out in the wild a bit more, this is probably the wildest place on the British Isles.
Yeah, and we've noticed that people wave when you drive past them.
Yeah. So you guys,
any
a lot of you
clues?
have got motorhomes, and we. It's Pablo sniffing my leg. I thought it were a walrus. Yeah, people are
waving, and it's great to see. One more thing, we've got no dogs this week because, of course, we're on the beach, and I haven't got the pictures with me. So the dogs will be up next week. I love to shout out to the dogs. They're so fabulous. So the dogs, thank you for sending them in. Please keep sending them in, but they'll all be next week. We'll have a bumper dog edition.
Yeah. Same with comments. We're a little bit limited as to what we can access while we're up here. So because we're running out of data, and some people have run out of data. Or actually, some people run out of data within about an hour of hitting the NC 500.
Yeah, I don't know how that is. Anyway, so all the dogs comments next week. So a big bumper edition.
Yeah.
So not this week, but thank you for sending them in. Keep sending them in.
Yeah, keep sending them in. Pablo's loving the beaches. Beaches in Scotland are knockout.
Yeah, they're really good.
Yeah. We've been on some white beaches, golden sands, everything.
Better than, Skeggy Beach is a belter. It's better than Skeggy Beach, Skeg Vegas, isn't it?
Different type of beach. Skeggy's still
Blackpool
nice. It's like swings and roundabouts. This is remote and everything else, but you can't get a kebab. Whereas you can at Skeggy.
I'm cooking for you this week.
No, you can't get a kebab. Claire don't do kebabs. So lots of exciting things coming up. We hope you like Scotland. And I think if you've not been to Scotland, like this side of Scotland,
Yeah, you really should.
if you're into vans and stuff and travelling round, I mean, how can you not like this?
We really like it.
Yeah.
And I bet a lot of you guys have been to Scotland in your vans. It's very van friendly. Lots and lots and lots of stopovers, isn't there? By the side of the road.
Yeah, everyone's been really friendly to us.
Yeah.
So that's about it for Van Talk Week 11. We hope that you've enjoyed catching up with us. So we're at 1,467 subscribers, which is amazing. We do this for the subscribers, for you
Van
guys.
Talk.
Yeah, Van Talk. It's just for you guys. Just so you know what we're up to, and you can tell us what you're up to. Give us your tips, and just chip
So
in.
Scottish tips, please.
Yep, all your feedback on those videos. We'd love you to tell us what style of video you like better. So we do different things, obviously, whether you liked it, whether you didn't, so that we know what content to try and produce.
Well, yeah, do they like vans?
Yeah.
Do you like Claire's history lessons? You know what I mean? It's a tough one.
Tough.
Let us know.
So,
And also, last thing from me,
yeah.
please subscribe. It's totally and utterly free if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed and you do watch them all every week. Please subscribe, it's free, and we'd like that. Thank you so much.
And while we're on that, if you like and comment and share our videos, and
Tell your
that
neighbours, tell your friends,
yeah,
tell the pub landlord.
yeah,
Sorry.
you can tell everybody. Tell that C that's nearly hit by his legs. That really helps the videos get pushed out to other people. It's a bit weird how YouTube works. So if you think, oh, I'll not press that thumbs up button, just press it. It helps us. And it's free, like Claire says, and we all like free things.
I like free things, you like free things.
I like
We've been
free
very
things.
frugal this week, haven't
And
we? Whoa.
the C's just touched us. So that's all from Van Talk. We shall see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.